Reading of orders from CDF. Members of the Red Bell movement are ordered to join SSPDF. The Chief of Defense Forces, CDF, General Dr. Paul Nangmajok, issues the following orders here under. Order number 1. Members of the Red Bell movement are hereby ordered to join SSPDF with their personnel and support weapons. A committee will be formed and sent to Malal Chad Barracks to receive members of the Red Bell movement joining the army. Members declining this golden opportunity and honor to serve will face forceful disarmament at the earliest time possible. Order number 2. Armed youth in Greater Warrap are hereby ordered to voluntarily hand over their weapons to SSPDF within 21 days. Failure to comply with above orders will result in the launching of a comprehensive forceful disarmament exercise. Order number 3. Members of SPLIO are ordered to report to the nearest SSPDF barracks in preparation for the commencement of second phase of the implementation of transitional security arrangements. Members of SPLIO who want to comply with the above orders will be considered hostile forces and will face full force of the National Army. Thank you.
Can I have a picture?
Yeah.